Rware muchimani yoyo gitare ya datori ya kwa ili ya ikinya re murandi yore miboma kwa yoyo kiboyo kete ndeni akaunti ya darakani dhiyo ya direte yoyo karika ori miboma kwa yoyo ndeni yore miburari mibaingi baambirite ya kwa mbararia ndeni akaunti yuna kinyare bwedrite bwe karabu bwe gana koguna karibu baingi nkuruki Samuel Gaishima na tutariria ndetuwe kinya
Ikianini kia DC muchi wa CHUKA kithirano ni kia bithatu kia Urithi Bwa Makuyu kuma kiri kaunti 15 abisa bathirikari cia kaunti ciago amwe na bathirikari nene muchemanioni wa kuraithiria uthii na mbere bwa mubango wa Aquaculture Business Development Program. Bakiaria atongoria mwanya ibagwetete inyamara birabiwete Urithi Bwa Makuyu na njira cha ukandana nabio.
All of us are aware that we have climate change. The issue of seasons are no longer predictable. The only way for us to ensure that our aquaculture survives is to store water. Yeah, and water for a pond is not a lot of water. If you can get a tank of around 10,000 liters or 20,000 liters and store water there, it will be enough for the production cycle.
Angalia hali ya anga as you do the fish farming, the weather patterns. They have become very predictable, and mastering how the impacts of climate change, then we shall know how to address the issues which are related to the aquaculture sector.
There are some counties that have requested to be included in the program. There are other areas of improving the program that have been suggested will all be addressed during the MTR.
Mbeumbithi bakiuregua bairutanirie kiri Urithi Bwa Makuyu.
And especially the youth who have taken it in a very aggressive way. I want to encourage you, don't hesitate. When that time comes for you to apply for grants for your business enterprises, be there and you run away with it.
We know how the youth are. They're very adaptive, they're very flexible in their ideas. Yeah, those ones who cannot be on the farm, they can use the digital economy to reach out to markets. You don't have to be digging the pond, but you can play a role along the value chain and see how we can utilize the opportunities which are there in aquaculture.
Kaunti irairuthite bwega iwangoni mwanya bia Urithi Bwa ichipetwe biegwa ara kaunti ya Tharaka-Nithi ejukitie namba ya 3 kiri kwirutaniria kiri Urithi Bwa.
First runners up atakuwa ni nani? Tharaka-Nithi County. Tharaka-Nithi first runners up ndio hawa wanakuja sasa.
Minister wa urimi wa kaunti ino Njoe Njagi Kaithungu aonania kugwirwa iboro bichi yake itongoretie kaunti ino gukinyira kiwango iki amwe na kugwata ugeni kaunti irachingi wa ntugo chiere kurikithia kiatho giki.
Yes, kikukua kiatho. Guest of honor, we've had a very successful function here. I want to witness that I have participated mostly, and my observation is that the objectives of this annual review have been met, and the county of Tharaka-Nithi has been able to play a good host.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya CHUKA Egamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.